Iridescent flakes are one of the simplest way to add some gorgeous bling to your nails. So I've just painted the nail in Macaron and I'm using the colour Mermaid's Tails. Now I am literally just dabbing these using my G1 brush into the tacky layer of the colour. Just going to then brush that over to smooth them all down, removing any loose pieces before I top coat, and you can see that is instantly stunning. I just love flakes exactly for this reason. They just create beautiful nail art. So now I've used peach lemonade and I'm adding unicorn horn. Again, you can see all those beautiful iridescent colours. This is just an effortless way to add something amazing to your nails. I've used a matte top coat to demonstrate how gorgeous they can look with matte or clear, okay? So now let's pop fairy wings over cotton candy. Aren't these just beautiful? Look at those shiny iridescent colours. I hope you love them.